Ever found yourself in that slightly awkward situation? A friend needs a quick loan, a family member is overseas and needs urgent support, or you simply want to split a bill with someone who uses a different banking app. The thought pops into your head, how can I get money to them quickly and easily? In today's interconnected world, the need to send money seamlessly across different platforms and even across borders is more crucial than ever. We're constantly looking for solutions that are fast, secure, and convenient. You might have heard of various digital platforms designed for this very purpose, and one name that often comes up is Uphold. So, the burning question is, can you actually send money with Uphold? The short answer is a resounding yes. Uphold is designed to be a versatile platform that goes beyond just cryptocurrency trading. Sending money to others is a core functionality, making it a valuable tool for various financial needs. But it's not just a simple yes. Let's delve into the specifics of how you can send money using Uphold and what makes it a compelling option. Uphold allows you to send funds to other Uphold users instantly and often without fees. This makes it incredibly convenient for splitting costs with friends who are also on the platform, sending quick payments, or even gifting small amounts. The process is typically straightforward. You select the recipient, usually by their Uphold username or email address, enter the amount you want to send, choose the currency or asset you want to send from your Uphold wallet, and confirm the transaction. Beyond sending to other Uphold users, the platform also facilitates sending funds to external bank accounts in various countries. This opens up possibilities for international money transfers, potentially offering competitive exchange rates and lower fees compared to traditional methods. The exact process and fees associated with external bank transfers can vary depending on the destination country and the currency involved. So it's always a good idea to check the details within the Uphold app before initiating a transfer. Furthermore, Uphold supports sending and receiving a wide range of assets, including fiat currencies like USD, Euro, GBP, and more, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others, and even precious metals. This versatility is a significant advantage, allowing you to send value in the form that best suits both you and the recipient. Security is, of course, a paramount concern when dealing with financial transactions. Uphold employs various security measures to protect your funds and personal information, including encryption, two-factor authentication, and robust account monitoring. This gives users peace of mind when sending and receiving money through the platform. Uphold offers a robust and versatile solution for sending money to other Uphold users and external bank accounts, both domestically and internationally. Its support for multiple currencies and assets adds to its appeal, making it a convenient option for a wide range of financial needs. Remember to always familiarize yourself with the specific fees and processes involved in your desired transaction to ensure a smooth experience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.